Yaakov says, the one went away from me, and I said he has surely been torn to pieces. But of some Sofer, and the Torah, he explains, there is no Achdus. We leave the Achdus, leave the Shalom, then Va'omar Ach Tarof Toraf. Tarof Toraf is a language of parnasa. Teref liyereav, that is a lashon of parnasa. If there is no Achdus, there is no Shalom, there will be problems with parnasa. That is what Yaakov says, because there is an expression, Machlokes achat docha mea parnasos. One machlokes, one dispute, can push away 100 times that you're supposed to earn money. It can push it away. We learn from this Psalm Sofer the importance of Shalom. It yields so many good things. So much bracha also yields parnasa. The opposite of Achdus, the opposite of Shalom, Machlokes, can be very, very bad. It can also lead to problems in parnasa.